Nubia Z50S Pro in for review. Say hello to the Nubia Z50S Pro, a phone with a pretty and functional design, potent hardware, and a unique camera system. The phone ships with an 80W charger, USB-C cable, and a plastic case with silver lining around the camera island. You can tell the Nubia Z50S Pro means photographic business when you see that camera island up close. It has a similar aesthetic to the Xiaomi 13s Ultra or Oppo Find X6 Pro, and while there are number 1-inch type sensors here, the main camera is still one of a kind. The 50MP f/1.6 wide camera has a 35mm focal length, widely regarded as one of the best among the classic photographic normal lenses, and it sits above a respectable 1/1.49 sensor. The other two cameras are a macro-capable 13mm ultra-wide with a 50MP sensor, and an 8MP 80mm zoom camera. Up front, the Nubia Z50S Pro packs a high-quality 10-bit 6.78-inch 1260x2800px AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000Hz touch sampling rate. The panel gets searingly bright too. Inside tick the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chip with a 3.36 GHz Prime X3 core and a capable GPU. These are kept cool by a massive 233mm superscript 2 vapor chamber, but there's no active cooling solution, like a fan. The Nubia Z50S Pro has an interesting design with flat front and back panels and a wide flat metal frame. The right side has a customizable switch that by default opens and closes the camera, but can be set to open the gaming menu. In true Nubia fashion, there's a red accented power button too. The dual-tone back of the phone has a leather-like finish on one side. It's not as grippy as it looks, but its quality is undeniable. There's a lot to unpack here. From the potent chipset, how long the big 5100 mAh endures, and just how bright the display is. Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें जरूर बताइए हमारी वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच।